Cats are enigmatic creatures, often exhibiting behaviors that can leave their owners puzzled. From kneading to chirping, cats communicate in a variety of ways that may seem mysterious to humans. Understanding these behaviors is essential for providing the best care and companionship for your feline friend. In this guide, we'll delve into some common cat behaviors and what they mean. 1. Kneading. One of the most common behaviors exhibited by cats is kneading, where they rhythmically push their paws against a soft surface, such as a blanket or your lap. This behavior is often associated with contentment and relaxation. Kittens knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow while nursing, and adult cats may continue this behavior as a comforting gesture. 2. Purring. Purring is another behavior that cats are famous for. While purring is often associated with happiness, cats may also purr when they're in pain or distress. It's their way of self-soothing and can serve as a form of communication with their owners. 3. Chirping and chattering. Have you ever heard your cat make a chirping or chattering sound while staring out the window at birds? This behavior is thought to be an instinctual response to prey, mimicking the sound of birds or small animals. It's a way for cats to express their frustration or excitement at not being able to reach their quarry. 4. Head butting. When your cat rubs its head against you or objects in your home, it's not just seeking attention, it's also marking its territory. Cats have scent glands located on their heads, and when they rub against something, they're leaving behind pheromones that signal ownership and familiarity. 5. Scratching. Scratching is a natural behavior for cats that serves several purposes. It helps them sharpen their claws, stretch their muscles, and mark their territory. Providing your cat with a scratching post or pad can help redirect this behavior away from your furniture. 6. Hiding. Cats are masters of finding hiding spots, whether it's under the bed or inside a cardboard box. Hiding is a natural instinct for cats when they feel threatened or stressed. It's their way of seeking security and privacy until they feel safe enough to come out. 7. Zoomies. If you've ever witnessed your cat tearing around the house at top speed for no apparent reason, you've experienced the phenomenon known as the zoomies. This burst of energy often occurs after a period of rest and is a way for cats to release pentos. I can't watch videos, but I hope your video goes well. If you have any questions or enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel.